Samsung is making waves with its upcoming Galaxy S25 Edge, a smartphone that's expected to be one of the thinnest ever. But with such a slim design, a big question arises. Will it be durable enough, or will it face bending issues like some ultra-thin devices in the past? The first mention of the Galaxy S25 Edge came when Samsung introduced the S25 series. But since then, the company has been keeping details under wraps. However, recent leaks and hints from Samsung suggest that this ultra-thin flagship is getting closer to its official launch, and there's a lot to talk about. One of the most surprising details is the rumored thickness of just 5.84 millimeters. That's significantly thinner than most modern smartphones, which raises concerns about its structural strength. We've seen similar challenges before, like the infamous iPhone 6 Plus bending issue back in 2014. That phone's aluminum frame made it vulnerable under pressure, leading to widespread complaints. Naturally, people are wondering if Samsung has taken steps to avoid a similar problem. Samsung appears to be fully aware of these concerns. During the Mobile World Congress 2025 in Barcelona, a key executive reassured that despite its ultra-thin design, the S25 Edge is built to be strong, enough for everyday use. The real question is, how has Samsung achieved this balance between slimness and durability? One of the most interesting rumors suggests that Samsung might be using a ceramic rear panel instead of Gorilla Glass Victus 2, which is found on the other S25 models. Ceramic is known for being tougher than glass, offering better resistance to cracks and scratches while maintaining a premium feel. It's also denser, which could help reinforce the structure without making the phone too heavy. Another leak indicates that the S25 Edge will weigh around 162 grams, which is the same as the S25 Plus despite being significantly thinner. If these numbers are accurate, the ceramic material becomes even more likely. Interestingly, Samsung has been careful about letting people handle the device at recent events, possibly to keep these material details secret until the official unveiling. Samsung isn't the only company working on an ultra-thin flagship. Apple is rumored to be preparing the iPhone 17 Air, which is also expected to feature a slimmer design and possibly ceramic-infused materials for added durability. If these reports hold true, the competition in the ultra-thin smartphone category could be heating up between Samsung and Apple. Despite its sleek profile, the Galaxy S25 Edge is expected to offer high-end specifications. While Samsung hasn't confirmed the full details yet, leaks suggest it will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor, feature a high refresh rate OLED display, and come equipped with a top-tier camera system. The battery capacity remains a mystery, but given the thin frame, Samsung might introduce new battery technology to ensure it lasts throughout the day. With all these details, the biggest question remains: will the S25 Edge be strong enough to handle real-world use? If the rumors about the ceramic build are true, Samsung seems to be taking durability seriously to avoid any bending issues. But until real-world testing proves it, the concerns will remain. Would you be interested in an ultra-thin phone like the Galaxy S25 Edge or the rumored iPhone 17 Air? Share your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates.
What if your next smartphone could completely transform how you experience the internet? Faster downloads, smoother streaming, and lag-free gaming, all thanks to groundbreaking 5G technology. That's exactly what Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S26 series might bring to the table. While the Galaxy S25 is still making waves, the rumors about its successor are already heating up, and today, we're diving into what could make the Galaxy S26 a game-changer. Let's break it down. The Galaxy S26 is expected to pack some serious power under the hood, and a lot of that hype revolves around its processor and modem. Word on the street is that Samsung might team up with Qualcomm again, using their next-gen chip, likely called the Snapdragon 8 Elite 2. This processor is rumored to come with a Qualcomm X85 modem, a piece of tech that could take 5G speeds to a whole new level. Compared to the X80 modem in the Galaxy S25, the X85 is said to deliver download speeds of up to 12.5 Gbps and upload speeds of 3.7 Gbps. That's a 25% jump in download speeds and a 5.8% boost in upload speeds. Think about what that means for you: faster downloads, smoother streaming, and gaming without interruptions. It's not just an upgrade, it's a leap forward. The S85 modem isn't just about speed, it's also about intelligence. Qualcomm's new modem comes with an AI-powered data traffic engine, a feature designed to make your online experiences smarter and more efficient. This AI engine can prioritize data traffic dynamically, which means it can give your gaming sessions top priority even on a crowded network. No more lag spikes in the middle of an intense match. It also promises clearer voice and video calls, along with seamless switching between Wi-Fi and cellular networks. Whether you're scrolling through social media, working on the go, or video calling a friend, the Galaxy S26 could make everything feel faster and more reliable. Now, here's where things get interesting. While Qualcomm's Snapdragon chip is a strong contender, Samsung might also use its own Exynos 2600 processor in some regions. If that happens, the Galaxy S26 could feature the Exynos modem 5400, which boasts even higher download speeds of up to 14.79 Gbps. This dual-chip strategy means Samsung could tailor the device to different markets while still delivering top-tier 5G performance. Whether it's Qualcomm or Exynos, one thing's clear: Samsung is aiming to set a new standard for smartphone connectivity. So, what does all this mean for you? If you're someone who relies on fast internet for work, gaming, or streaming, the Galaxy S26 could be a game-changer. Faster 5G speeds and AI-powered features could make your smartphone experience smoother and more enjoyable than ever before. But it's not just about speed, it's about how that speed enhances your daily life. Imagine downloading a high-definition movie in seconds, streaming your favorite show without buffering, or playing an online game with zero lag. These are the kinds of experiences the Galaxy S26 could deliver. And let's not forget the bigger picture. Faster 5G speeds don't just benefit individual users, they have the potential to transform entire industries. From real-time video calls that feel like face-to-face conversations to smart home devices that respond instantly, the possibilities are endless. The Galaxy S26 could be at the forefront of this revolution, pushing the boundaries of what a smartphone can do. Are you excited about the potential for faster 5G speeds and AI-powered features? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates on the latest in tech. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. The race to create the thinnest smartphone is getting more intense, and Apple might be planning to take the lead with its rumored iPhone 17 Air. Recent leaks suggest that this upcoming device could set a new benchmark in ultra-thin smartphone design, following Tecno's recent reveal of its Spark Slim, which initially claimed the title of the world's slimmest phone. However, if the leaks are accurate, Apple's latest device could be even slimmer. A leaked dummy model suggests that the iPhone 17 Air could be just 5.44mm thick. To put that into perspective, Tecno's Spark Slim measures 5.75mm, and Samsung's rumored Galaxy S25 Edge is expected to be around 5.84mm. If these numbers hold true, Apple might take the crown for having the thinnest smartphone ever. However, while the phone itself may be extremely slim, the camera bump is expected to be slightly larger, which could add some depth to the device. With such a thin design, some trade-offs are inevitable. One of the biggest concerns is battery life. The iPhone 17 Air is rumored to have a 3,000 mAh battery, which is significantly smaller compared to the batteries found in Apple's Pro models.